Welcome guys, today we are going to see about the Christmas art and craft. Take a A4 sheet size paper and turn the paper as vertical and fold by half of the paper. Draw a line at the opening side of the paper. And turn the paper and cut the paper with scissors without crossing the line. After cutting this paper like this, turn the paper vertically and open the paper. Now roll the paper like a tube and it will show this result. Punch the both corners with stapler, so don't use glue or gum. And this is our result. Take the paper and keep it as near. Now take a glitter sheet and cut your favorite shapes. Punch the shapes with paper. Take this paper and stick it in the craft. It is used to hang the craft in the wall.